Welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make chicken grill sandwich. Let's first boil the chicken. In a deep bottom pan, add boneless chicken breast, roughly chopped onion, diced carrots, garlic cloves, crushed ginger, celery, few parsley stalks, black peppercorns, bay leaf and salt. Add enough water to cover the chicken. Keep the flame medium-high. As soon as the water comes to boil, reduce the heat. Cover the pot and let the chicken simmer for 15 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, switch off the flame. Remove the chicken with the help of a tongs in a bowl. With the help of a fork, shred it as fine as possible while it's still hot. Now add mayonnaise, chopped onion, chopped carrots, mixed bell pepper, salt, coriander leaves, oregano and black pepper crushed. Mix it until well combined. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Apply butter on the top layer of the bread. Spread the chicken filling evenly on it. Cover it with another bread slice. Place the sandwich over a grill pan or a sandwich maker. Once done, remove it on a plate. Slice it and serve it with your favorite dip. If you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.